Hello Internet, welcome to part 5 of my Dodge Dakota frame rust repair video series. If you haven't seen it, in part 1 I take the truck apart, in part 2 I repair rust on the back half of the frame, in part 3 I repair the rust on the front half of the frame, in part 4 I get the frame put back together and everything bolted in place, and in today's video, part 5, we're going to make it look like a pickup again. So if this interests you, stay tuned, we'll get started. First things first, let's bring in that rear axle. The rear axle hardware, it's all pretty rusty, so before I use it, I want to paint it. Now, some 2K chassis paint. With everything fully cured, I can put things together. I'm going to start with the fuel tank cross member. Good morning guys, welcome back. So yesterday things went pretty well. Got the truck back on its wheels. I'm super pumped about that. I was sure beat last night. I slept really well. I feel much better today. So today I want to get this thing running. There's not that much to do, but it will take all day. So we got to get the receiver hitch on, get that bolted in place. We've got to get the exhaust system back in and hooked up. And then we've got to get the fuel tank back in and get that fueling. Alright guys, the Dodge has not been started or moved, I think, in about 2 months. I just finished attaching the fuel tank and getting the filler neck in. I'm going to find the keys. We'll see, hopefully I don't have a dead battery. I'm going to turn it on and let the fuel pump run, make sure I don't have any leaks, and then we'll start it, see if it runs, and then I'll see if it moves. Put it in reverse and see if I can back up. Alright, stand back. Alright, battery's dead. It's been on the charger about an hour. I went in, I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I had such a headache, it was really nice to have a break. Let's try it, let's see if it works.